Welcome to Mechanical Tutorials. I'm going to teach you different techniques in SolidWorks for mechanical engineers. Hi, today I'm going to explain about meter flange and its parameters. In meter flange, we can have sketch profile and the flange follows the shape of the sketch. So let's see how. So for that we need to select one edge and draw on profile. So this is the sketch I have drawn. Now select the meter flange. So meter flange automatically it takes the sketch as well as connecting edge, and we can select multiple edges. See here, it is similar to edge flange. Let me draw the edge flange. Now let's see what is the difference between this edge flange and meter flange. When the flange wall is flat, both edge flange and meter flange look similar. But I'll show you what is the difference. Here in edge flange, I can edit the flange with a rectangular sketch. But whereas here in meter flange, I can edit only line. Now let me change the sketch profile. So I'm making construction and I'm taking one arc. So you can see the arc shape flange, whereas in meter flange we cannot create, we can only cut that flange with cut feature. But here one advantage is we can create any profile in the cross section. So this is the cross section. See here. So this is the difference between edge flange and meter flange. I'll show you the flat pattern also. See, this is how it looks. These profiles are difficult to create in edge flange. Okay, now how to maintain gap between two flanges. Here I have given 1 mm. Now I am going to take 0.1. See, when I reduce the gap, The two flanges are very near and this area is filled with welding material. Sometimes it is not required, but when sheet thickness is less, then we have to go for any joining process. Okay, now I am taking one profile. Now if I go with a swept flange, forms like a tray. There is a continuity. So this is done with forming operation. There is no gap between these two flanges. So whereas in meter flange there is a gap. So that is the major difference between meter flange and swept flange. Both are trays, but manufacturing process changes. This is forming operation and this is meter flange is done with bending operation. Now I am showing one small example for enclosure design. So this area we can provide a gasket over here at the front. So we can provide the door for this enclosure. So mostly these kind of profiles are used for enclosures. So next is, so can we create any flange on circular edge? So let's see. See, it is showing an error, so I will show it in presentation. Unable to create a meter flange for one of the following reasons. The profile is not on a plane that is normal to the edge on which the flange is to be created. So the profile does not intersect any edges on which the flange is to be created. So whenever there is a circular profile, we cannot create meter flange. But whereas in edge flange we can create. So that is the difference. So based on our requirement, we should be able to decide which option we need to use for our component. Sometimes we can use edge flange, sometimes we can use meter flange. Sometimes we can use swept flange. So this is a brief about meter flange. Flange position I have already explained in edge flange video, and K factor is similar to edge flange. Thank you.